Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So I will put about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that 3 over x next to y. This is for integrating factor. The integration of 3 over x, we have 3 ln x. Later that number 3 will go inside about natural law in here. So if we simplify and we got about s to the power of 3. So we multiply both sides by this one. Next, this one we have 3s squared. This one we simplify by this one. Next, we have the formula in here. Sine 2a equals to 2 sine a cosine a. So sine 6s, that is about number 2 multiplied by 3s. Now we can apply this formula for this one. Next, we simplify sine 3s on numerator and denominator. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can apply about the product rule of the derivative. So we know that first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This is about first derivative of s to the power of 3. That is about b multiplied by a. So if I do this integration, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of this one, we have s to the power of 3 multiplied by y. This one we have secant of 3s ds. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 3 ln of the absolute value of secant of 3s plus tan 3s. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.